Hey, well there we go. That's your shower base on a 45. It's a little bit difficult to do, but it is the best way to do it. I did have my mud a little bit too wet, so it was sort of moving around a little, but only it was my fault. I just put in too much water when I was mixing it up. But yeah, I could have had it a little bit drier, would have been a little bit easier if my mud was drier, and then it wouldn't have moved. But I've got it now. The way I stopped it moving was took out my wedges. That'll all dry lovely in the morning, by the morning. Bit of a final tap, tap, tap. That I won't touch now. I'll take out and I'll wipe it clean in the morning. That's good. You must always try and have it the best you can in a shower, because you've got bare feet and you'll feel that slight lip. But that's all cool. Lovely, tell your mum. All right, what I'm doing now, I'll be knocking off shortly. I've just about completed all the floor. I'll be doing walls tomorrow. I'm gonna lay out, I'll be doing this too when the rain finally starts to go away, which it's starting, so that's good. I'm going to lay out my tiles and prepare them to stick them down tomorrow. So I'll start cutting them before I knock off. Okay people, have a great evening or great day wherever you are in the world. I'll be going home soon and it's my evening, so we'll see you again soon. Hooroo!